Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for showing so much of love and support to the first episode of the series Let's Talk at the Rate USC. In this episode, we will talk about life experiences of three of my awesome friends, Vashi, Ritu, and Anushka. And they will share the experience of how and what it takes when you come to a place which is not furnished, semi furnished, I would say. The experience of flying from Delhi to LA, and many more things. So, I welcome to this journey. I hope you like this video as well. Also, I am grateful that you have shared all your questions on the form that I've linked in the description. This video was shot way before the first video was live, so I couldn't cover many of the questions in this video, but definitely in the next video I have covered a few of them. So let's try to get at least 100 likes in this video if I'm not asking for too much. Once that's done, episode 3 is also ready and I'll get it live. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it for such educational and great content. Let's get started. Welcome, friends. So I am at my friend's place today. They are here to share their experience. How did they spend the last 1 month? Basic expenditure. Are they liking the college or not? I suppose they are. So, without wasting time, let's introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Vashi and I'm from Delhi. I graduated in 2020 and I'm here for my master's in computer science.
Hi friends, my name is Anushka and I am from Delhi and I graduated in 2020 and I'm also in Masters in Computer Science.
Hi friends, I'm Ritu from Surat. I completed my undergrad in 2020 and I'm also here for Masters in Computer Science.
So you are from Surat and you both are from Delhi. How did you get to know each other?
WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp groups. Make sure to be a part of whatever WhatsApp
Yeah,
group you find.
they're very important.
Yeah.
So let's talk. How was the journey? When did you come? Everything. Let's start. Let's hear from you guys.
So we both came on 6th of January
Okay.
and
I came on 31st of December.
Okay.
so she started her new year here only because she
Yeah.
did not want it.
Yeah, so my cousin came to pick me up at the airport and from SFO to Los Angeles, I took a domestic flight that was Southwest Airlines and I landed here at 2 p.m. Yeah,
Okay.
it was quite late, so I didn't went out to celebrate New Year. I was in a jet lag.
That's it.
So that was like very surprising for us. We didn't have jet lag like.
We didn't experience it at all. Like
At
we
all.
came the day in the evening we slept for 2 hours and then we also slept at night 11, 12 and then we woke up at
Normally like very
normal
fresh.
time 8 or 9 a.m.
So
And
I
then-
think it's a part of big city. So even I hardly felt anything. I was just the
I think-
day I landed, I went to get my laptop. I was roaming around from that day itself. Sorry for not following the quarantine rules. Yeah.
Actually, my flight was quite long from Surat to Delhi, Delhi to.
Oh, yeah.
Los
She had
Angeles.
3
Yeah.
flights.
Three
So
flights,
I
okay.
changed 2 flights.
How about you guys?
So
Delhi
we
too?
Delhi to SFO and SFO to LA.
So by
So
two
we
flights,
had both the airlines united. So the easy way for us was like we didn't have to struggle with the check-in luggage and all that
important.
because others faced a lot of difficulties there, and it was very easy for us.
Okay. So how many bags did you have?
So
Check-in
check-in bags allowed was 1 bag, and
Great.
somehow I prepaid for the next bag.
Okay.
But there they were allowing you to like take bags because the flight was all full, and even the cabin bag they allowed to like check in because there was no space in the
that is
compartment.
usually there. That is usually there.
Yeah.
So a lot of people booked their flight earlier and they got to carry 2 baggage in their check-ins, but we couldn't do that. And so they said that you had to give $100 extra.
Okay.
But I was supposed
She
to
was
pay
lucky.
at the airport.
She was very
extra
lucky.
$100. So I went to the check-in counter and I told her that, see, I have an extra bag. Do I need to pay for it? So she was like, no, we have some system error. You can go. You don't need to pay $100.
All thing for us was we booked the economy ticket, but we got the economy premier seats, and it had a lot of leg space, so we had a good flight.
Super lucky, dude.
Yeah.
We got unlucky in one thing.
We did not
thought-
get the seats together.
Yeah. and we both got middle seats
But the funny part was United did not give us any mask or
or any PP kit.
PP kit.
Okay, I got PP kit, mask, and everything.
I think the earlier flights they've distributed everything, and in our flight no one got anything.
so they were giving you COVID for free, I guess.
Or maybe there was so much COVID in your flight that they gave you everything and
Okay.
safe flight. We had a safe flight.
How about you guys?
So like I came by Air India and it provided me 3 baggage, and then I changed from SFO to LA. It was Southwest Airlines, but
Okay.
it provided 2 bags.
Okay, so you
Yeah,
had
so
to
I
pay
paid
for
for 1 bag.
one man.
But don't forget to tell that
Yeah,
you
it
had
was
4 bags.
$75.
You had 4 bags to get.
Actually,
She
my
came
uncle
with.
came along with me, so
Okay, that's a good idea. So if you have relatives, you can take help from them.
yeah.
From LAX to wherever you are staying, mostly you will take a cab. But if you have a relative or a friend, please request them.
Yeah, we had a nice
Yeah.
friend. She picked us up from the airport and
She offered on her own that she
Like-
would come and pick us up, so that was really
It's important to have very
Yeah.
good moments.
Yes, because of COVID.
Okay, so did you have anything like bed or something to sleep when you came?
no,
the
our
first day?
home came
Do
completely
you remember?
unfurnished.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was completely naked house and it was like it was dirty and
just the floor and the walls.
Yeah,
kitchen.
white walls.
How did you manage the first day, first night, whatever? Yeah.
So we did one good thing that we pre-ordered the mattresses, so they were there already when we came.
Where did you order it from?
IKEA.
IKEA.
So
Okay.
these were some
Mhm.
basic.
Just keep it. So do they
Also,
deliver to
yeah.
your home or you had to go to IKEA to pick
They
it?
deliver it, but the one thing you should know is that the mattress comes compressed. So you have to
Okay.
decompress it and it takes 24 hours. So she was already here, so she did that for us. Otherwise, even after ordering mattresses, we would have probably slept on
the
floor.
yeah.
So is that possible? First of all, sleeping on floor.
A lot of
A
people,
lot of
do
people-
that.
people did, yeah.
Like if someone has a carpeted floor and they have good heating and everything, people did sleep on the floor. I know some guy who ordered his mattress 3-4 days earlier before coming, and his mattress
Yeah.
didn't come, and he slept on the floor for a very long time.
And they had 2 mattresses because they cancelled the order and that order also came back.
Okay.
So,
So different people, different experiences.
yes.
Be prepared for at least first 2-3
Also
days.
pre-order lamps. They don't have
Yeah.
lights.
This is a cultural shock, guys.
Yeah, it was for
Okay,
us as
can you
well.
tell us more? I don't know.
Like
So
when-
what happened? Like we entered, we thought we have mattresses and chill, like we'll sleep easily. Then it became a little dark. Like as soon as we came around 2, then we
Okay.
had like lunch, and then we slept. And then when we woke up, it was a slight dark. Like light कहाँ है? Switches तो बहुत सारे हैं. Switches तो है, light कहाँ
Holder
है?
भी नहीं है, किधर लगेगा?
हाँ, we thought that there's no bulb, so we were searching for holder के अच्छा कहाँ लगेगा? But there are no lights here, so you have to like buy
And
lamps.
I guess no fans also.
Yeah.
no
It is in your
fans.
apartment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just
So
vents.
we have like heating and
Heating
cooling,
and cooling
so we
system,
don't
so-
need heaters or portable
Okay.
ACs. But probably if your home does not have heating or cooling, you should.
So what would you suggest people in this scenario? Should they buy it? Should they bring it? I don't think it is possible to bring from India.
You should not
No,
bring
just
too
order
many electronics from
electronics.
India because like the voltage difference
Yes. So
is
what would you
there.
suggest?
So I know a girl. She bought her hair dryer from India, and now it's not working because of the voltage
Voltage
difference.
difference.
She's like on 2 it goes like and on 1 it's normal, not
Okay.
working.
Yeah. So what would you suggest for lights? What did you do? First,
We
nothing.
So
Mobile
just
torch.
pre-order the mattresses and lights.
Pre-order the
yeah,
lights
lights
as
and
well.
well, or you can just go to Target and pick one.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, remember Target is very nearby. I mean, it's like 5
Walking.
minutes, 10 minutes walk. But if you are in jet lag, if you are tired, and if you are not mentally prepared, things are very difficult.
Very.
Very.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
were lucky because she came earlier,
Yeah,
so
she
like
gave us that
she
lamp.
gave us that
Gave
lamp.
my study lamp.
The whatever, which one? She gave us a lamp, so we managed that day. But the next day we went to Target only. First day we went to Target.
We
We-
got a like lamp and,
And
comforter.
comforter.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell me one thing. How much money did you carry? Because I don't believe on day one you will have a bank account right ready.
Yeah, see, so we carried a forex card and some cash.
Forex card and cash.
Yeah,
Okay.
depends on you how much you
How
like
much you
want.
want.
Approximate if you want to share with people. How much did you carry?
You can
Right.
carry around like $1,000
$1,000
minimum for
Combined.
his car.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that would be
1,000 to 15.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
So
didn't
then-
carry much cash.
Huh.
Most of
No, I mean I didn't carry even 1,000. I just carried 500
Mhm.
and 100 and
Those were our paranoid parents.
Yeah,
And
Indian
then,
parents.
cash लेके जाओ, sorry, like money have some
yeah.
money.
so it completely depends specifically. In coming videos or in my monthly expenditure video, you will see a rough estimate. In my case, my estimate has been around $250 to $300 for the first month, if I don't include my monitor and the stuff which I just ordered. How about you guys? Monthly expenditure, rough estimate.
So we had to
How
buy
do
a
you guys find
filter.
it?
Yeah.
We had
We
to buy a
bought
lot of
stuff.
things. So we
That
had
is-
to
yeah,
buy a
that is-
toaster, a mixer, a rice cooker, a filter.
Filter.
Yeah,
So
this
these
is
And-
are
just-
necessary if you are coming to a place
Yeah.
where you don't have anything.
Also, you needed like things to clean
Correct.
and rack,
Racks and I
And
guess
few
Dustbins.
things.
Yeah,
Dustbin.
and basically a lot of storage
Mop
as
and
well.
all.
storage
Yeah.
as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you go to Dollar Tree or from Target?
Mostly in Walmart and Target.
Walmart.
So did you go to Walmart or online?
She went to
Yeah,
Walmart
I
before.
went to
Okay.
Walmart. Yeah, it's like 45 minutes away. So I
Yeah, so
just went
Walmart is
and
not
saw-
nearby.
Yeah, it's not near.
It's not easy to go. She had like
Yeah.
relatives and car.
Correct. That makes sense. So in the previous video, or I mean, I don't remember where we'll upload that. So there's something called an Instacart. We will be discussing about that with Divya and Mehak. You can try that for sure.
We have tried Instacart as well.
Yeah.
So we ordered groceries from Instacart.
Okay.
They were like fine.
Are you
Yeah,
taking
they
a
were
membership of it, or are you just using it for the first 2 weeks?
First 2 weeks it's free delivery. So initially we were doing that only. We just
Okay.
ordered like a week back. And
Okay.
I have heard that they give you a 2-month like free delivery extension. Someone was telling me.
Could be. So
Could be.
depending on the offers, just check that out. But if you have a problem, then we have Dollar Tree and 99-cent store where you can go and purchase. But it will take at least 2 to 3 days. So first few days, be ready to just adjust. Adjust is the key.
And be prepared somewhat as much as you can.
Yeah, be mentally prepared. See,
Yeah.
people are there to help you out. You will have your friends. If you have seniors, roommates, they will be there. But being mentally strong is important. So, what is your rent approximately like?
So we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment and we have a sublease right now.
Okay.
So in sublease the rent is 2,200 for the
Okay.
whole apartment. So
Okay.
like we have a decent sized living room, a decent kitchen.
It's around 830 square feet or 850, and
We have a balcony. That's
Yeah.
a plus point. Very
I
nice.
remember
Yeah.
They have a very awesome balcony. If they allow me, I'll show you them.
Mm.
I'll show you the
Yes,
balcony.
sure.
In my place, I don't have any sunlight, so it's a bit gloomy. Avoid it. I did a mistake. Please don't do that. Make sure to at least have basic sunlight and
at least have big windows or something. If you don't have a
Yeah,
balcony.
like fresh air is important.
fresh air and sunlight is important. It looks gimmicky, but when you have the pressure of studies, specifically if you're taking algo for the first
Algo nahi hai.
for the first month, you
You
need
need
that
it.
fresh air and a way to relax.
Yes.
So coming back, what was the basic expenditure when you setting up the house? I know it's a very very big task. So I think you bought so many basic stuff with
Yeah.
groceries. So rough estimate grocery was how much? Rest furniture or containers, how much was it? Any idea if you remember?
It would have been around $800 to $900 for
Okay.
the 3 of us. That includes our like basic things like filter.
It has one-time cost plus recurring cost.
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So yes, I mean it will not be per month 900, but you will have to invest for the first month.
Yeah.
Like we were discussing just right now, they bought containers, they bought mixer, they bought
Filter.
filter. So do you cook or you mostly go outside to eat?
Cook.
Now
We mostly cook.
Mostly cook. So I suppose you bought groceries and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rough estimate, and from where do you buy generally?
So a lot of Indian store stuff she got it from Artesia.
Artesia.
Okay.
So they had cars, so they went to Artesia and like pulses, atta, rice, and ghee, masale,
Ghee.
Did you
And some
Snacks.
ready-made paste like ginger
like
garlic and
chutneys and all
tamarind,
that.
yeah, chutneys.
So all that stuff they got from
I
Artesia.
think they have fruits and all too, right?
They have a lot of stuff.
How far is it?
It's quite far.
It's very far.
Far, yeah.
But they deliver at your place, so you can
Yes, you
call
have
them.
that
They send you
facility.
the menu
Mhm.
and the rates, menu with the rates, so you
Okay.
can just order it online as well. They
In the
deliver it to your
description, I'll give you
place.
the number. You can use that once you are here. So don't worry.
Yeah.
And there's a store which is close by Manas,
Okay.
so you can go there as well. They give you like basic dals and all. And
A lot of things are
ghee
there.
and ghee and all if you want to buy. So that's
So
also an
Manas
option.
has a grocery as well as it's a
Restaurant.
Yeah, it's
Restaurant,
Indian
हाँ.
restaurant.
You can get samosa chaat if you visit.
It is not something which we have in India. It is not so great. I've tried it. So expectations low.
Obviously,
Yes.
you get samosa in India. What's samosa in LA? So, like,
Something unique which you think people should know, or life is smooth.
That it's not that sunny in California when you come in spring. It's raining. Get an umbrella.
please
Yes.
get an umbrella.
And raincoat and thick jackets if you are not.
Ah,
used
he
to
did
it.
not bring
Oh my
jacket.
God.
He was
I
cold.
don't have that many jackets. I thought it's like Bangalore or Delhi. I'll adjust. and-
It's like Delhi.
It's
In
like
January.
Delhi only.
Like Delhi.
Yeah.
yeah, but not
In January.
in January. Yeah. January Delhi. So it's a hard time.
And it's windy all the time, so you need jackets, especially after sunset.
And the sun sets at 5 o'clock.
Oh yeah.
The time when you think, okay, let's do something. It's always like, yeah. What else? And how's your college experience
College.
so far? Is it on? It's online for you as also. Right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Are
online.
you enjoying that?
We have two tough subjects,
Okay.
Algo
Algo.
and AI.
We all
Algo
are
and
enjoying
AI.
Algo.
Very
Yeah,
much.
nice.
Very much.
Which other subject? Which other subject you have?
Artificial
Artificial
intelligence.
That's actually a really good subject, and the
Okay.
professor
Professor is really nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
Laurent Itty, like he's a really good professor, and like most of the students who take AI generally prefer to take AI under him.
Okay.
And so we also thought that since this semester AI is being offered under him, so we should take it. We had some reservations about it because both of them are really hard courses,
Makes sense. Yeah.
and but we thought since we are doing it online, like most of the time we're going to be at home, we can manage those subjects together in this semester.
Is it going fine so far? 1.5 week has been gone.
Yeah, so far it's been
So
good.
far, it's been good.
We have got our assignments and all. They give a lot of time for solving those assignments. So if you are diligent enough with that, you can do it.
Okay.
But
yeah.
like it's manageable, but it's a little overwhelming in the beginning.
Also,
Any
it's too
tips
soon to say
for
it's
people?
manageable,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, so we will have a follow up for that.
Mm.
Any tips that we want to share or something, like be prepared with XYZ topics or something. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Any last wisdom of any last words for the people?
Just be prepared. Do have expectations, but like manage your expectations well,
Yeah.
because you don't know what like
Ellie has to offer.
Yeah.
Yeah, most important question. Are you staying outside house for the first time, you guys?
yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody for the first time.
Yes.
For the first time.
So are you like hyped? Look, I mean, this might be the excited phase, homesick or something. No, right?
Homesick.
No, I mean, it's fine.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
that is
So
the phase that
we
you're not
all,
homesick.
three of us, didn't do much at home. Okay?
Mhm.
So we are cooking here for the first time, I
First
would say. Okay? But we are cooking very good.
Yeah, we really
कभी
like
बुलाया
the
नहीं है,
food.
कभी बुलाया
We
नहीं है। हाँ, तो ठीक है।
तूने
भी
बुलाया तू रोज फ्रैंकी बनाता है
मैं
तूने
सिर्फ
हमें
फ्रैंकी ही बनाता
बुलाया
हूँ। मैं सिर्फ फ्रैंकी बनाता
हम
हूँ।
कुछ भी खा लेंगे यार
आ
ऐसा
जाओ। मैं सिर्फ फ्रैंकी में ही एक्सपर्ट हो गया अब तक। So yeah.
we make very nice smoothies.
हमारा बहुत टाइम चला जाता है किचन में
तो
क्योंकि पहले कभी
yes.
किया नहीं है
Yes.
तो
मैंने पहले फिर भी किया है बट फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे इज जस्ट कुकिंग क्यों है ये
My sister is like, तुम वहाँ पे पढ़ने गए हो या फिर
घर घर खेलने गए
It's-
पहले फर्स्ट वीक पेरेंट्स आर लाइक हैप्पी कि अच्छा यू कुकिंग दिस तो यू कुक दिस एंड इसके बाद पढ़ लो बेटा ये थोड़ा ना करना है
you have to be prepared कि 24 hours में से hardly कुछ मिलता टाइम पढ़ने के लिए
So like manage your time really well. You should know that this hour you should be doing this and this hour you should be like keeping it for studies and everything. Or else you'll be like whole of a day would be spent in doing house chores and everything.
Yeah.
And
Cooking,
Golden words,
cleaning.
literally golden words, mind it. You have to manage your time well. And that's the reason please hit like it's devoting time for everybody, from this hectic schedule is very difficult. Make sure to hit like, subscribe and share with your friends. I will link their Instagram and LinkedIn if they let me. Are you fine with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can reach out to them for any queries. And yeah, thank you. All the best if you're coming here for the next semester or if you're planning in future. Thank you.
All the best,
Thank you.
guys.
All the best.
Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope that was helpful. If in case you want to get in touch with me, I will be dropping a link in the description of how to do that. It's a Unibuddy platform which will definitely help you get in touch with me and many of our student ambassadors. So if you want to talk to me, do reach out to me over there. And once again, thank you so much Vashi, Ritu and Anushka for doing this with me. We definitely had a great fun. I hope you guys had a fun too. Thank you so much. Do like, share if you loved it. Drop in your comments for any more feedbacks and fight on.